quick video in my KA Mark II, and it's how to remove the gear knob. It's really simple. What you're going to want to do is get quite a skinny screwdriver or something that you can wedge in between here, push it in like so, and then just lever it up slowly. Be careful because you can damage the gear stick trim around here. It will like go back to its original shape, but yeah, so you just want to kind of work it all the way around like so. There you go, and then it should pop off. There you go, that's now off. Now what you're going to want to do is a spanner to remove this bolt. It's a 10mm bolt, so just put it on and loosen it. I've already loosened mine, but it's not too difficult, it's not very tight. And then there's the bolt that holds the gear knob on, and then you literally just want to pull off. Mine comes off really easy, but yeah, you want to, if it's quite difficult, just like twist it. It should eventually come off, and there you go. That's how you remove the gear knob on a FORD KA Mark II. And then putting it back on is exactly the same. You push it down and you put your bolt on. Just do everything in reverse. But yeah, that's how to do it.